Hi guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I'm starting a brand new series called the Why series. The first question of the Why series is, why do you sneeze? The video of the Why do you sneeze is this video. Let's do it! The air sometimes collects tiny particles that would be pollen, smoke, fog, maybe fog, viruses, and bacteria. The ideas are the basic particles. Then, when you're near of the endangered air place and you breathe in the endangered air, the nose hairs and the mucus will immediately see that intruders are here. Then it will message the brain, and the brain recognizes what the nose is saying. The brain will signal all the muscles, and the muscles will push together, and then to make a high complex protection. That is called sneeze. The body will get lots of air, and then after you inhale, the sneezing will begin. Then the saliva, mucus, and the tiny particles will go away from the body. When do you recognize that your eyes closes? Because the hot pressure of the sneeze is very high that the eyes can't control. That's why they need to be closed, or else it'll bust out. When you cover your mouth when you sneeze with your hand, it will be very dangerous. When you push the button, and then you are into first of the line, and then you're done with pushing the button, and the other people will press the button. The other people will get the bacteria. That's why scientists said to use your shoulder. These are the reasons why do we sneeze. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Bye!